Hello, Kitty. Let's play the animals quiz, multiple choice. How to play. There is a question about animals with 4 answer choices. Choose the correct answer. Whoever answers the most correctly will win. Question 1. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Wolf. D. Bear. Correct answer B. Lion. Question 2. Which animal can imitate human voices? A. Owl. B. Pigeon. C. Parrot. D. Eagle. Correct answer C. Parrot. Question 3. Which animal has a pouch in its stomach? A. Koala. B. Kangaroo. C. Panda. D. Deer. Correct answer B. Kangaroo. Who got the most correct answers? Congratulations to the winner!
Thanks for watching.